This video, you're going to see me do my makeup in Maryland. And if you haven't seen my Where Have I Been video, I did say that I went to Maryland for the holidays. And now it's holiday time again, so you all can see that this video is old. But this is one of the looks that I did while I was there. So I hope you all enjoy it. So first I started with my brows. I filled them in. And I went in with my brow powder to make them even darker because you all know that's what I like. Then I carved them out with my foundation, and I used the Mary Kay Bronze No. 3 and the Mary Kay Bronze No. 1 foundation. While I was in Maryland is when I actually ran out of my Mary Kay foundation, which kind of commenced, me trying different products and stuff, which I've told y'all it didn't work out. So I had to do another Mary Kay order because the stuff that I was trying, it just wasn't working. It just wasn't doing what I needed it to do. It wasn't giving me that flawless finish that I get with Mary Kay. Of course, I still have a list of things that I want to try, like the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I actually used that on someone else doing a makeup class, and it blended out effortlessly. So that's something that I do want to try in the future. But a lot of stuff that I've been trying just didn't work. Here I'm going in with my eyeshadow, and I'm putting like a light blue on my lid. I think this shade is in my Mary Kay eyeshadows. And here is kind of like a better view. But if you watch my videos, you are kind of familiar with what I do. I like to keep my brow bone bright and popping. I like to go in with like a brownish color in the crease for that kind of transition. And then on my lid, anything is fair game, from blue to just anything. I normally do gold for like an everyday basis, like a natural look, but y'all know I love blue eyeshadow, okay? Look through some of these videos. I have so many blue eyeshadows, so hey, I love the blue eyeshadow. And for this, I believe I used yes I did, I used the NYX to cut my crease, which is white, so it really makes the colors that you put on top of it just stand out and pop. That's why I like to use that. As you can see here, I was scraping the tube, As you can see, I was scraping the tube, trying to get some product out. I do all of my liquid blending with this kabuki brush. I have them on my website if you want one. All of that information is in the description bar. Now I'm going in with this powder that I picked up at the beauty supply store. And I like this powder. Right now I'm currently not using it anymore. So yeah, I might actually sit down and talk to y'all about this powder. So now I'm just wiping it off, and out of all the other powders that I have used To bake, I like this one the best, but I don't bake all the time, so I don't really use it all the time. I normally just set my liquid foundation and just go. So here I'm adding some contour, all of that we love. I'm lining my lips. And let me know in the comments if you all line your lips. I don't know if everybody does it. So I'm setting my face with the Mary Kay setting spray. I'm fanning it dry. Now I'm going in with my mascara, and I like to do the setting spray before the mascara. This is some footage out and about. So I hope you all enjoyed this kind of